Just gotta give your eyes a chance to adapt. Feels like you've lost it. Just give